Salama, peace, and blessings. Welcome to Generational Impact for Yeshua. I'm Chuka. Today I'm going to talk about how entrepreneurship goes hand in hand with belief. Definitely it does take belief to step out there and believe in not only yourself, but believing in your product or service that you're going to service people, right? And, for me, I definitely believe it goes hand in hand. Being an entrepreneur goes hand in hand with belief. Because it does take courage to step out there to servicing people with your service or product. Abali Meals is our food business that we offer food. Breakfast, lunches. It started off as providing dinner services, but we branch off, also opening up to breakfast and lunch. But it's been quite a journey with the whole process. Going through again the LLC and going through the licensing and everything, and then also being out there servicing people. It's not only is it take courage, but it's worth every penny or a dollar that you get. You feel great, but not just the money, but to be able to serve a community, serve people, and then it is rewarded when you're getting paid for doing that. I remember the first delivery of food. We also provide food, and also doing the delivery to a lot of businesses, individuals. We also we do drop off catering. We do meal preps. But I remember the first food that I offered to one of our clients, and having the whole transaction take place where they use the tap on your phone. I believe it's Apple Pay. Sometimes customers do Google Pay as well, and but just that whole process, using the Square transaction, it just felt great, because it's your own efforts, you're working for yourself. It does take some courage, so definitely anybody out there who has desire to start your own business is worth it. I would say definitely